Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use hyaluronic acid and vitamin C serum. First, cleanse your face thoroughly and pat it dry. Then, apply a few drops of your vitamin C serum to your face and neck. Gently massage it in and let it fully absorb for about 1 to 2 minutes. This ensures your skin gets the maximum benefit from the vitamin C before moving to the next step. After your vitamin C has absorbed, it's time for hyaluronic acid. For optimal hydration, apply hyaluronic acid to slightly damp skin. You can lightly mist your face with water or apply it right after cleansing if you're not using vitamin C. Dispense 2 to 3 drops into your palm and gently press it onto your face and neck, ensuring even coverage. Once the hyaluronic acid has absorbed, it's crucial to seal in all that hydration. Apply your favorite moisturizer to lock in the benefits of both serums. If it's daytime, always finish with a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. This protects your skin and enhances the effectiveness of your routine, preventing sun damage. For the best results, incorporate both serums into your morning routine daily. Store your serums in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight to maintain their potency. Remember, a little goes a long way, so don't over-apply. If you have sensitive skin, always perform a patch test before full application to ensure no adverse reactions occur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.